everyone, it's Heather. We have made it to Chicago. We did have a change of plans, and it's much too complicated for me to explain to you. We are not at the hotel I thought we were going to be staying at, but we are at a different hotel, and we do not at this moment have a suite, but we're very happy with this property, and I like it a lot, and we might just end up staying here. We were planning on staying here only one night, but we might extend our stay. I don't know. I have to still figure it out. We are staying at the Hampton Inn. It's probably longer name than this, like Chicago something. McCormick Place. And this is actually a very nice area around here. I don't know exactly what McCormick Place is, some kind of convention center or something. And this is appears to be a brand spanking new property. It's beautiful and immaculate. And it's really interesting. There is a common lobby in the building, and then there are 3 separate elevator bank entrances and 1 common front desk, and there is 1 Hampton Inn, 1 Hilton Garden Inn, and a Home2 Suites, all in this same building. And so we're in the Hampton Inn section, and we are in a pretty typical Hampton Inn room, and I will show you that in a second. They followed my usual Hilton request, which was to put me on a high floor away from the elevator, and I'll show you that too. And we have an amazing view of the city, and we can see the lake. And there's quite a few restaurants. There's a Subway across the street. There's a Starbucks right next door. Just a couple blocks from here were some other restaurants. So we might just stay here because this seems to be a good location. I don't know how much the parking is yet. I gotta check on that. But the parking is right below our room here. I mean, I can literally see my car from the hotel room window. So that's where we are, and I will show you the room, and we're pretty comfortable. I mean, we don't have a table and kitchen stuff like I wanted, so I might see if I can switch us to a suite or to the Home2 Suites. But other than that, we may stay here anyway. It's not exactly where I wanted to be as far as location, but it's still decent, close to the museums. We can't walk to anything from here, the museums or anything that we were gonna go to, but we might be able to walk to some places to eat, so that's handy too. If you liked this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you are new to my channel or just haven't bothered to subscribe before, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks everyone for joining me for this video. Have a great day and safe travels.